Good evening children, I am Srinivas Prabhu. Welcome to my YouTube channel Prabhu's Education Hub. Today's our topic surface, area and volume. Now you must be wondering, already you have studied in 10th standard. What is the surface, area and volume of? You have studied cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, sphere, hemisphere. Now we will discuss one by one. Now children, first we will discuss about cuboid and cube. I'll take cuboid and cube both together. If you study about cuboid, cube is easy. How is that? I will tell you. See, all of you know what is cuboid, isn't it? I'll draw the picture of a cuboid. What is this? Cuboid. A matchbox. Your geometry box. Of the examples of cuboid. What is cube? Cube or cuboid, both are 3D figures. 3D figures means three-dimensional figures. Isn't it, children? See, this is cuboid, this is cube. Why I have taken together? Very easy to remember. Easy. Scoring topic. Just you have to remember the formula, children. See, you know this. This is length. This is breadth. This is height. What is this? Length. What is this? Breadth. This is height. This is cube. Here, length is not equal to breadth, not equal to height. All three are unequal. Here, length is equal to breadth, is equal to height. Let us say A. We will call it as A. Let us say. Understood? What are we going to study here? We are going to study about three formulae. What is this? LSA, TSA and volume. Yeah. Come children, we'll discuss. What the first one? LSA. LSA means lateral surface area of a cuboid. What is the lateral surface area of a cuboid? 2 into L plus B into H. Square units. Square unit. Because it's area no square unit. 2 into L plus B into H square units. That's it. Come here children. Where? Cube. I said length is equal to breadth is equal to H, which is equal to, let us say, in place of LBH, you put on A. LSA, lateral surface area. What is that? See, I'll write it and show you. L in 2 into L plus B into H. Here you put L is equal to A, B is equal to A, H is equal to A. A plus A, 2A. 2A into A, 2A square. Into 2, 4A square. So what is lateral surface area of a cube? 4A square, square units. Easy, isn't it children? LSA. Now come to TSA. TSA means total surface area. See now, what is this children? This is a rectangle. What is the area? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. What is this? Parallelogram. There are two such parallelograms. What is that area? Length into breadth. Length into, this is breadth into height. This is breadth, this is height. Breadth into height. Such two figures are there. Breadth into height. Here, length into breadth. Length into height. Length into height. Come here children. There are two such figures. Yes or no? What the area of this? Length into breadth. There are two such figures. Length into breadth 1, 2. Breadth into height 1 and 2. Length into breadth. There are two such figures. Therefore, what the total surface area of a cuboid? 2 into LB. Length into breadth. I am talking about this figure as well as this figure. There are two such figures. 2LB plus 2BH. B into H. 1 and 2. 2BH plus 2HL. 2HL. What is H here? Height into length. There are two figures. 1 plus 2. S or no children? 2HN, 2HN. Now what is common children? 2 is common. So I'll take 2 outside. So what the TS of the cuboid? LB plus BH plus HL square units. Easy now children. Now come to, I'll write it here. Like this, square units. See children, very easy. Again, come to cube. If you know cuboid, cube is easy. That's how I written cuboid and cube together. Here, LB, L is equal to A, B is equal to A, H is equal to A. Now, replace LB H by A. LB is what? L into B. A into A square. B into H, A into A square. A into A square. How many A squares are there? A square plus A square plus A square, 3A square. Into 2, 6A square. What the TSA of a cube? 6A square square units. Very easy children. I taught you easy technique, easy concept. How to find the formula of a cube. If you know cuboid, please pause my video and keep watching. It's very easy. Then volume. What is volume of cuboid? V is equal to L into B into H. Cubic units. What is that? Cubic units. Again children, replace LBH by A. What the volume? Volume is equal to V is equal to what? A cube, cubic units. I have written CU units. CU means cubic units. Finish children. Cuboid and cube. Once again I will tell you, cuboid is a 3D figure where LBH are unequal. Where same thing cube is LBH are equal. 3D figures. What is LHC of the cuboid? 2 into L plus B into H square units. Come to cube. A plus A 2A into 2 4A into A 4A square units. You should write units important children. Many students forget. If you don't write units, you lose half marks. Come to TS of the cuboid. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Write like this only, no confusion. You let LB ends with B. Start with B, H. It should start with HL. LB plus BH plus HL. You can close your eyes and fatafat tell the formula. Come here, A into A square, A into A square, A into A square, 3A square into 2, 6A square unit is the TSA of the cube. What is the volume of cuboid? LBH. L into B into H. L into B into H. Cubic units. Here all are equal to A into A cube, cubic units. Next topic children, cylinder. Yeah, I have written cuboid and cube together. Like that I have written cylinder and cone. They are related and easy to remember. Cylinder. This side I write cone. What the diagram of the cylinder? I have written small diagram children so that the sufficient space is there. See. Cone children. Moment I said cone, you remember. What is this? Birthday cap. Birthday cap. You invert it. Invert it means keep it upside down. If you make it upside down, it becomes ice cream cup. Isn't it children? Okay. See now. This is the cylinder. It has two circular bases. What is that? A, B, C, D. What is this? A, B is the diameter. O is the center. Here I will call it as P. Join OP. What will get? Height. OP is the height of the cylinder. OB is the radius. AO is also radius. AB is the diameter. Similarly, CP, PD, they are the radii. CD is the diameter. Come here, children. What is this? Cone. What is this? It has only one circular base. Here, AB or AB. Here, AB or AB. What is this? O. What is this? P. What is OP? Height. Height of the cone. What is this? L. L is the slant height. L is the slant height of the cone, children. Now, again you have three formula here. What is that? Here we say not LSA. LSA is the lateral surface area. Here we say CSA, curved surface area. Cylinder. What the curved surface area of the cylinder, children? 2 pi r h square units. What's that? 2 pi r? 2 pi r into h, height. That is called CSA of the cylinder. What is CSA of the cone, children, here? CSA of the cone is equal to pi r l. What is pi? Constant value, pi r l. L is what? Slant height. Slant height. Square units. Now, children, come to the next formula. What is that? TSA. What is TSA? CSA plus CSA plus area of two circular bases. Area two circular bases. What is the CSA, children? Already we know 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Circular base. What is the area of a circle? Pi r square. There are two circles, 2 pi r square. Now take common here. Children, take common. What you can take common here? 2 pi r. 2 pi r. What is left here? H plus r. Or else I do one thing, children. TSA have written CSA of the cylinder plus area of two circular bases. I will erase this and I will write it here only. What the CSA of the cylinder? 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. What is common? 2 pi r common. Here h will remain r. Square units. You write this formula 2 pi r into h plus r. Come to TSA of the cone. What is TSA of the cone? CSA plus area of a circular base. A means 1. It has one circular base, not two. Cylinder has two circular bases, isn't it? Yeah. What is CSA of the cone, children? Already you know. Pi r l plus pi r square. Again, take common, children. Pi r. What is left here? L plus r square units. Last formula, children. What is that? Volume of cylinder. Volume V is equal to pi r square h. Cubic units. Cubic units. Third one, volume V. Volume V is equal to, what is this? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Cubic units. 1 by 3. Finish, children. Very easy, no? See, volume of the cylinder and volume of cone are related. For example, you take water in a cone, put it in a cylinder. How much does it fill completely? Take one full cone of water, put it in cylinder. It will fill 1/3. Again take second time. It will fill 2/3 of the cone. Put again third time. How much it will fill? complete cylinder will get filled. What does it mean? One cone is equal to one cylinder is equal to 3 cones. Or one cone is how much? 1/3 of the cylinder. See here, what the volume of the cylinder? Pi r square h. What the volume of the cone? 1/3 of pi r square h. It will come for MCQ, 2 marks and 3 marks. Yeah. Children, our last topic, sphere and hemisphere. Again they are related. I told you cuboid and cube they are related. After that I had written cylinder and cone. Last topic, sphere and hemisphere. What is sphere? Circle in 3D geometry we call it as sphere. Here we have only two formula. Here hemisphere. Hemi means what? Half. Hemisphere or semisphere. Semi or hemi means exactly half. Now come to, it has no sides. Straight away come to TSA. What is the TSA of the sphere? What is the TSA of the sphere? 4 pi r square units. What the TSA? What the TSA of the hemisphere? TSA of the hemi means what? TSA of the hemisphere, how much? 3 pi r square units. You may ask, why it is half of 4 is 2. It is 2 plus there is one more semi-circular top is there. 3 pi r square. Now come to second one. It has no CSH children, isn't it? It has what? Volume V. What is volume V? V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is that? Cubic. What is unit? Cubic units. Next, what the volume of hemisphere? Volume is equal to V. What is it? 2 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. This has one more formula, children. What is that? CSA. What the CSA of hemisphere? What the CSA of hemisphere? TSA is 3 pi r square. CSA will be 2 pi r square units. End of the topic, children. What you have to remember? Just you have to remember formula. Then rest of the things is very easy. Understood? Yeah. One more thing I have forgotten. I'll erase this. I'll come back to cone. You have to find the slant height. For finding CSA, you won't use sometimes slant height. You have to find it out. This is cone, children, isn't it? What is this? Circular base. AB. What is that? Diameter with center O. What is this? P. Apex or top point. Apex we call it as. Height is OP. Now see, children, I'll write this side. What is this? Height. Height of the cone, H. See, children, now look at APO or BPO. What is it? Right angle triangle, isn't it? So what is AB? Diameter. What is OB? Radius. What is OP? Height. What is PB? Slant height, L. Now come to see, children, we are studying area, surface area, volume. We go to right angle triangle. To find L value, we take the help of Pythagoras theorem. What is that? In triangle OPB, square of the hypotenuse L square is equal to R square plus H square. What is L value, children? Under root R square plus L square. Is another formula you have to remember to find the L value. This comes to the, what is L? Again I'm repeating, slant height. End of the topic, surface area, volume, children. Any more further details you require, please comment in the comment box. And any other topic you want me to make video, please comment in the comment box and subscribe my video. Thank you.